Hey, my peeps. I don't have to tell you that being in medical school and residency training is no joke. It's really, really hard. But it's even harder when you have to expend energy deciphering and processing overt interpersonal and structural racism and bias on top of everything else. It just wears away at you. And, it's not surprising that so many of us BIPOC, that is, Black, Indigenous, and people of color, arrive as adults in these spaces we're unprepared. We don't have that ability and that toolkit for unpacking a lot of what's going on around us and the experiences that we're having. So we can arrive at the end of our training and into our careers broken and in pain and not able to be our whole, true, and authentic selves and really give ourselves to the communities and patients and families that we have pledged to take care of. And taking care of our own families, giving ourselves to our loved ones. So I have navigated this path. It was not easy. It was not navigated without pain, without shame, guilt, self-doubt. And I arrived at the end of my training with a lot of unprocessed trauma. And it took so much time to unpack all of that, to deal with it effectively, and to really develop and assemble my own toolkit, which I continue to polish to this day in order to effectively deal with the continuous assault of racism and bias and microaggressions, etc., that are the reality for BIPOC. So I am now in this space as a coach for you to help you get to the end of this path and navigate this successfully, hopefully without the trauma that I had to endure, okay, and help you assemble your own toolkit and help you be whole and authentic and healthy. So I'll be coming back here. I'm going to try every day, but initially it may be once a week because I am a practicing physician. But coming here as often as I can with tidbits and advice and story times of some of the incidents that I witnessed and went through myself on this journey. And if you want to be coached by me, I'm going to put the information at the bottom of this video. And if you feel like what I am sharing in these videos is helpful, if you think it can help other people, be sure to please like and recommend. Okay, fam, so that's it for now. As you can see, I'm not a really techie person, and I don't know how to do a background yet, and my lighting and all that kind of stuff. It'll come. This is pretty new to me, but I'm looking forward. Okay, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.